This is amazing today. 10th of August 2024. Paberžės gatvė 14. Staircase 1 to 35.
Or 36, I think.
Yes. Was built in 1981.
Yeah.
It's 9 years.
Yeah. No.
Not 8.
Yeah. And the 8th floor is the 9th floor, but it doesn't stop at between floors 1 and 2. There's an floor also.
Yeah. There's empty floor.
Yeah.
Amazing. Also in Šeškinė, it's one of the suburbs of Vilnius, Lithuania. You didn't film this one.
Yeah.
Shut that off.
Yeah.
Original too.
Yeah.
Amazing. I love this type of product. You got the salsa as well here.
Yeah, same here.
It's also not in very bad condition.
Yeah.
This is quite alright.
Yeah.
Except the scratches on it.
Yeah. Sierra Paberžės left 010394 is picked by Gewijsbandmate and Koni.
And Gatvė is 4-person joint
Yeah.
frames. And the interior is original.
Yeah. Can you turn off the light? It doesn't fit here. It's a yellow light here.
Yeah. Original light.
Yeah.
Lampshade is original.
Yeah.
Somebody is coming here.
Yeah. They are not going to use the elevator. That's